This is gonna blow your mind. The global drones and robotics market has skyrocketed, valued at $67 billion in 2023 and expected to reach $78 billion in 2024, with a CAGR of 16% from 2024 to 2029. What's driving this growth? Technological advancements like AI, machine learning, and sensor tech are supercharging drones and robots across industries. In agriculture, the market for drones and robots was $17 billion in 2024 and is projected to hit $21 billion in 2025, with a mind-blowing CAGR of 22%. Labor shortages and precision agriculture are key players here, driving the need for automation. North America leads with a 21% CAGR, driven by labor shortages and sustainability initiatives. Europe is not far behind, thanks to heavy investments in tech. Asia Pacific, they're soaring with a 25% CAGR, fueled by tech adoption and demographic challenges. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.